Okay, hello you all. I'm here to show you my Christmas decorations before I take them down. I had been planning to show you this beforehand, but I just did not get a chance to. I had house guests and it was kind of crazy, but fun. So I'm showing you right now my new addition for this year, which was a tree skirt that I ordered from Pottery Barn. And I think they have those on sale. They may still be on sale, but they're made of really great quality, so if you can get your hands on one, do it. So my theme was buffalo check, I used ornaments that I had had for a while. Like I think some of those may be 8 to 10 years old. I really don't buy ornaments that frequently. I got those Starbucks cups and then the coffee press from my hubby last year, Christmas of 2017, in a stocking, as a stocking stuffer rather. So anyway, I'm showing you that tree, and then I'm gonna move on and show you the couple of like wood slabs that I have. Those came from Kirkland's, I think either last year or the year before last. I can't remember, sorry. Then I'm moving on to my sideboard in the dining room, and then I have these, I can't talk, these apothecary jars, and I just have ornaments in one. I keep those pears in the other, and then I think I normally have pine cones in that last one too, but I did add a few more just to fill it up. And then I have this little cake stand or whatever, or cheese tray, and I just put some bowl filler in there, and I bulked it up a little bit with pine cones. Have my paper mache trees. Those came from World Market along with the reindeer. The garland was also a new addition this year, and that came from Walmart for, I want to say $9.99 or whatever, you know, Walmart's little change is. But it wasn't over $10. Then I have the things I always have on my table, the plates and all of that stuff, the charger. But I do have a table runner, which that came from Walmart, I believe. And a candle ring. I have my little IKEA plant sitting in a candle ring because I just wanted to bring a little bit more of that red over there. This is the little wreath I got from Hobby Lobby, and I did pick that up when it was half off. I think their things are 66% off now after Christmas, but that was $5. So now I'm just showing you a view of the tree, and then I did add a remote control clicker this year, which allows me to turn the tree on and off from a distance, and that's the thing that you plug in the wall to activate it. And that's it. Voila, I turned it on. And then now I'm showing you this little centerpiece that I got from the HUD Restore for a couple of dollars. I can't remember. It's a few years old for me, but I did take out a few of the accessories that they had in there, and then I added this bow that I made from the buffalo check ribbon, which I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I think that was $5. Pretty sure it was $5. It's even cheaper now if you can get your hands on it. So now I'm just showing you what I did. And that wasn't much. On my bar, I did add a Dollar Tree little plaque or whatever. And my snowmen, which are old. I got those from Hobby Lobby years ago. And then you're really not supposed to see like that junk that's on the side. That's stuff that I did not put up and did not take to the basement yet. And now I'm upstairs on the main level, showing you how I turned that tree on. I'm not quite sure what I was pointing to. Okay, then I'm showing you how I wrap my garland around the staircase. I did want to look for some better garland after Christmas, but apparently I should have gone out the day after Christmas because I missed it. So next year I'll have to get better garland. Now I'm showing you my tree topper, which I got from Bed Bath & Beyond last year after Christmas for $1.99. And it's like a woodland theme as well. The theme of this tree was plaid, so I used some darker blue and green plaid, and then like a red and yellow traditional plaid, and then I threw some burlap in there, and I was inspired by a tree that I saw on Pinterest. The pillows and that ribbon came from Joann's. This little plaid throw, that was in a box of dishes that I got from my mom. And so I just washed it up and threw that on the couch too. It doesn't match, but it does. It matches the plaid theme, but it doesn't match it perfectly. But I kind of like that. And as you notice, I have moved my sofa off of that wall because my sofa is normally on that wall. And I switched it with the chairs, which are normally on the opposite side of the room. Okay, now I'm showing you my stockings. And then the little gift boxes on the floor, which came from Kirkland's. The stockings came from Pottery Barn. This little whimsical stuff came from Kirkland's. So on this remote, I have like 3 different outlets. So I have one attached to the tree downstairs, one attached to this tree on this level, and then another attached to the fireplace garland. And that's it for all my Christmas lights. I didn't do any more. I didn't do any outside, but I do want to step my game up next year. And these are some oatmeal scotchy cookies that I baked, and they really turned out well. And it's just a Nestle Toll House recipe, but yeah, it was delicious. Okay, I'm showing you these cookie tins I got from Walmart, which I did use. I used all of those for cookies. We had a Christmas party, family Christmas party, and I packed some up and then sent some to work with my husband. That's the oatmeal scotchy dough. And what I ended up doing is just kind of scooping that out and making individual cookies. And then I froze it. So now I can pop those cookies in the oven anytime I feel like it. And they're already formed and everything. And just leave them in there for like 10 minutes and they're done. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.